Let's focus on the y glide sound that can be heard in the beginning of words like in yum and in the middle of words like in mayor. To make the y glide sound, lift the middle of your tongue close to the hard bump of the roof of your mouth, without touching it. Keep the back of your tongue raised slightly and the tip of your tongue relaxed and low. Keep your lips relaxed and slightly spread, not rounded. Turn your voice on, you should feel a buzz in your throat. When you make the y sound, hold it briefly and then glide smoothly into the vowel sound, because y is a voiced glide sound that prepares your mouth for the vowel that follows. Yeah. 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 It's now your turn to say the y glide sound. Today, we'll learn how letters make certain sounds, and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter Y is a consonant that represents the y glide sound, like at the beginning of the word yum. When we see the letter Y in a word, we say the y sound and get our mouth ready to slide into the next vowel. We say each sound from left to right, and smoothly blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the y glide sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right. Remember that the letter Y represents the y glide sound, so your mouth needs to get ready to slide right into the vowel sound. Y, yum. It's now your turn to decode the word. Great job! You just decoded and read the word yum. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter, or consonant, Y, which makes the y glide sound, that slides into the vowel sound.